18 divided by 9 over 2 times 4. 2 into here 1, 2 into 4 give us 2. Then we are left with 18 divided by 9 times 2. Now we have a division and a multiplication. We are going to work from our left to our right. 18 divided by 9 will give us 2. Then we have 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is equals to 4. 4 is the wrong answer to this question because according to the order of operation, division and multiplication have equal priorities. So we must work from our left to our right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to solve 18 divided by 9 over 2 using the rule of KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We are going to keep our 18, change division to multiplication, then flip 9 over 2 to 2 over 9. Then break down our 4 here. Now we are going to simplify. 9 into here 1, 9 into 18 will give us 2. Then we have 2 times 2 times 4. Now we are going to work from our left to our right. 2 times 2 will give us 4. Then we have 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is equals to 16. 16 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.